I'm Haksul Lee. I teach metal sculpture. Metal is such amazing material because it's probably most forgiving. All of us using metal. Somebody make abstract art, somebody make realistic figures, some people make kinetic work. Some students come with some idea or some experience. We are problem solving together. So it's almost like a group work. From forging to welding, we even use computer, like a 3D software. For my class, I want students to come with more flexible mind. Just knowing metalwork gives you tremendous leverage. It gives you forms because it gives you structure. There's no limitation in the metal shop. My advice is be independent as an artist. When you make something good, you know. You don't need any assurance from anybody.